Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we learn how to enter simple mode in Vivo Y75 smartphone. Without a further ado, let's start. First of all, enter into the settings, then swipe up. Then you need to choose lock screen and wallpaper. Then select simple mode. Now you need to enable the simple mode quick toggle. Then click experience now. Now it will open the simple mode on your phone. You can see it's very simple one. It's very useful for elders and who have problem with the vision for the small screen. You can see it very useful for, you can add quick contacts for dialing. Also you can add apps you want to use in this main screen. So it's very useful feature. If you want to exit this mode, you can click on settings and click exit simple view. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.